Alrighty, good evening everybody, James here, and this is our nightly recap of the small account challenge. We completed day 32 today, and one trade, and it was a green trade, so needed after the previous day's loss. So we're doing pretty good here. So first off, I am still in VNQ calls from, I believe, Tuesday, 10:15. Yesterday. Yeah. So, still in these, right? It did not reach a profit today. We are down a little bit, but down about $23. So I'm okay with that. At one point we were almost close to stopping out again and it rallied back up. So I'm okay with this, 10% down. I still like the overall chart. So I will continue to hold it until I stop out, get to a break even point or profit, whatever I feel is needed at that time. So being in this position, taking up half my capital, I only was able to take one trade today, which was WDC, and I took this trade at about 7:15, which would be about here. I was watching the 5-minute, and it was in a squeeze, trending below VWAP, so I decided to go ahead and take puts here off this VWAP in this squeeze for retracement to and past low a day. So I ended up taking the October 25th 62 puts, paid $227 for them, and it just kind of rode very slowly down for most of the morning. Actually hit very close to the original lows of the day here, but it wasn't quite my 10%. I think it was sitting about 4 to 5% when I last looked at it. Then I had to leave, and so I put a limit order in for 10%, and I got filled at 9:52. So I could zoom in down here. If you look at the 2-minute chart, during this downward dip, I got filled, left a whole bunch of money on the table, but fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, I was driving, so I got filled for 10% profit here. But had I been home and not had to leave to an appointment, I could have wrote it out for a lot bigger profit. I know a couple of members got over 20-30%, I believe, on this play, so they did pretty good. But that's it, right? That was my play on WDC. Quick little puts. Took a little bit longer than I wanted to, in about an hour and 40 minutes, but worked out. Got 10%. So now we're sitting at a rough net liquid about 472, up about $20-ish from yesterday. And hopefully maybe we'll get out of VNQ tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the morning.